Hey guys, what's happening? How to link bank account to Kraken. So if you want to link bank account to Kraken, you need to make a deposit, right? So they can save your bank or credit or debit card details, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit the portfolio at the bottom right using Kraken Pro obviously, and then hit deposit, okay, and select your favorite cash or favorite coin, right? So in our case, we're gonna use US dollar, right? Hit I understand, and you're gonna make the deposit from your own bank account to theirs, right? So if you share account, hit joint account. If you have an account on your own, just select the first option, and then what you're gonna do, just copy the bank details, right? Whatever you need, and then hit I made the deposit once you make the transfer, and Kraken will check with the bank provider and they will save the bank details for future deposits. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.